In this video, I will show you how to place an image inside of text using Canva. The first thing we'll do is go to the Elements section and grab a square shape. Resize the square to fit the canvas properly. Once that's done, set the square's color to black. Next, go to the text section and grab a heading. For this example, I'll use the word sharp. Change the text color to white, enlarge it, and then select your desired font. Once you've set up the text, save the image you want to use to your desktop. Afterward, upload the downloaded image back into Canva. Add a new page and place the image you want to work with. Then, add the text image you created earlier to Canva. Click on the Edit Image button and remove the background from the uploaded image. Resize the text image so it's larger than the background photo. Then, click Edit Image again, go to the Dual Tones section, select the cherry option, and set the shadow color to white. Save the image to your computer and upload it again into Canva. Add the image to your design and remove the background once more. And that's it. Now you have an image inside of text in Canva. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.